Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Namar bakaladai ke jok, bakat hakikam la penungkam baik daki kor komputer bat ke internet. Kumju ke sport ro, kumta ban penkop bor ikino penia ya ke jing lek kai football. Kumno ban penia ya ke jing lek kai, ban perung kerteng ya kiken hon bagi kerteng jong kino lek kai, ban tep sepang kino lek kai. Ban nyok jing tep halor ke jing job jing rem jong ki jing yakun. Ban nyok jing tep ro halor ki wei pat ke jing don kam menta lawan ra ro ya kata ke rukam ke baki ong hakatien nong wei. Digitization of football. Ban ajing hikai halor kene ke phang. Hakani ke jela Meghalaya, haka arpo artrik mentau bena jembang ar hajar kat kendai. La perlong ya ke lempong ajing hikai, ya ke bala tem kom ke Super Coach Digital Football Seminar. Ya ke bala perlong da ke Subroto Cup Society ringkat ke jing trelang, bat ke tenat Sports and Youth Affairs jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya. Hakani ke sisngi la ajing hikai, ya ki prapongot ki coach football na kaleng ke jela da u technical director na kari Sweden, u Jonas Olsen, bat u head business development ke Anjana Tech u Rajesh. Hakani ke sengi kini kilai pongor ki coach kilai aja hikai ringkat ke jing batai ni ke teori ringkat bat ke practical. Ya kani kelempong aja hikai la pri perda ha ke jelang ke bala long ha ke performance stem da u district sports officer jong ke East Castles district u ba Daniel Dan u bala long kongsan ha ke jelang.
Kani ke software hi haban penangkam long slide a training plan nam taki kuno ban ai training mencuangi thor khti mencuangi dan ki exercise ki bangi shoot thor khti ha got brain ta they don't need to write like using their mobile, using the computers, and moreover sometimes lagi ni thor hi andre kini ke software hi sometimes kadoi ki dan lupa ki exercise which is related to your plan, so it's very easy. Kini hi Subroto Cup ka society ka collaborate kini ka super coach ngaru amdatip bah kanu kadur tamba they said that they want to develop football through Subroto Cup. That's what kita nak jom program kunu ban develop show in football. Most probably ki coach committee coach ki ni la invite sepagalong kerke ini program ni persang ni ban kontak ki coaches most probably ki district lah cover lo di district bro. Shillong Sports. Then some of the good players from Eugene, Rupert, Samuel Shadat are here. I'm very happy. Ini ke app si once lah yo ini ke app si mungkin nak tahu tentang any training for football, coaching lah ban use.